Hello and welcome. I'm not very deep into this project and I need some experience and I need some help. I've got issues with this engine not starting, and the only way I can keep it running is if I continually hit the prime button to feed some fuel. Other than that, it won't run. So from my research, I have come to the conclusion that I've got to do some basic maintenance. This snowblower is from the 70's, and I don't think this has ever been done on it, but just do a basic carb clean and needle clean and stuff like that, and get it functional again. So I started this a few weeks ago, and I didn't get deep into it. All I was able to was to pull off that cover and disconnect the prime line there, and without me getting into this, I'm looking here. Okay, how do I reverse all this? And I couldn't even find the spot where that prime line goes to. And I'm still looking. So, dealing with a rookie here on this. Where the heck is it? So, having said that, I wanted to pull the whole carb off, and I see that I have linkages here. Just lost my light. And this support bracket. So I see that I've got to take those nuts off to get to the pull the carb off, but that means the support bracket for the cabling here, throttle, is going to have to be taken off. So I kind of just put that thought on hold for now, and I said, okay, well, let's just pull off the bowl. Take a look at the float and that. So when I did that, I'm just doing some cleaning here. There's the bowl. And I've already applied some cleaning and whatnot, and I still can't get that gunk out of there. That was the, I'm not even sure the term on it, but I'm going to guess this is a needle jet or something like that. And that was supporting the ball, so I took him out, and that's fine. And then as I'm looking into the my cleaning bin here, I see this, and I go, oh, I don't know where that came from. I just took off the bowl. I didn't see it as part of this, so it must have dropped when I pulled the bowl out. So I don't have an answer for that either. So as you can see, I haven't even got anywhere close to what I wanted to do by pulling off the whole carb. And I've got these concerns already. I could use some help and guidance. Thoughts and comments welcome. I'm running out of time here. Winter is approaching fast. Help! Trying to get in here. Only have 2 hands. 3 or 4 would be nice. Trying to get a view of maybe where that little item popped out. It's got to be one of these. So the question remains, help! You can't see it, but I'm throwing up both my hands behind the camera.